Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can easily change the battery in your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller. So the battery you need is model number LIP1708. You can buy them off eBay for around about 10 UK pounds, probably around 10 US dollars as well. So what do we need to do? It's really simple. At the moment you can't see any screws, but they will all become visible as we start taking it apart. You are going to need some very basic tools. You're going to need a little crosshead, a little Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to need some kind of plastic pry tool or some sort of plastic thin implement that you can get in and work your way around the place. So to begin with, we need to take off this faceplate down here. So I'm just going to use my nail in this part here, and I'm gently going to start to work my way up here. You can use a pry tool if you prefer. I'm not yanking it up, I'm just doing it bit by bit. If you yank it, you're going to break it or crease it here. And then when you get to here, just lift up these bits here, and you can see that this comes out. They've got little ears that go in here, it pivots up from here and it comes out. This will uncover two screws down here. We also have two hidden screws underneath the R1 and the L1 buttons. So you're going to get your little tool and you're going to put it in here, the middle of it, and you're going to pry upwards like so, and you will see that that will pop out. Again, do the same on this one here. Just get underneath it, so put the trigger down, get underneath it and start prying upwards. If you put your thumb on top, it will stop it from flying across the room. This will uncover two more screws. So let's undo all the four screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Obviously, we're going to be going anti-counterclockwise. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. All these screws are the same size, so it doesn't matter if you get them mixed up. So that's the four screws undone. Now we need to start lifting it up from the bottom here. You can see that it's going to be this part here that lifts off. So I'm putting a bit of pressure on it like so, and I'm just going to use my pry tool up the top here to try to release it like that. And this one here, this is quite fiddly to do. There you go, you can see that's been released. Now that we've got those ones released, we can now go down to these two clips here, and by doing that one there and this one here, so you can see I'm going in from here and leaving it up, that now separates it from there. And now we just have to kind of lift it up away because it's held in here, so we just need to lift it up and away, give it a bit of a wiggle, and it will come out like so. So this is your battery here. So obviously it depends on the age of the controller. Maybe when you're watching this video, they might have redesigned the battery. So make sure that you see what your battery is before you order a new one. And then you can see the little connector here. I'm just going to gently pull on the wires. You can use little long nose pliers to try to get the connector, but it comes out very easy if you just gently pull the wires outwards. Yeah, and the battery just lifts out. And again, you can see here, it says LIP1708. So get yourself your replacement battery, and then we're just going to place it in like so. We're going to get the connector. It can only go in one way round. If you try to put the connector in the wrong way and it doesn't feel like it's going in nice, it means you've got it in the wrong way. So just get the connector. It will only go in one way, and just push it home like so, and line that up there. You can tuck those little wires underneath that little plastic clip just there. And that is your battery replaced. We then get this, it needs to go on this way first. If it goes on here, you're not going to get it on. So in there like so, and then clip it down into place. You can see now that that is all locked everywhere with these clips here. We then just need to do up the four screws. This time we need to obviously go clockwise. Just do it until they stop going round. Don't really force it, you're only screwing into plastic. Now, if you think you're going to be taking your controller apart a lot, then what you can do is when you put the screw in, just go to the left ever so slightly. So go counter or anti-clockwise until it clicks. That means it's going to find the same thread as before. So listen, put a bit of pressure down. There, made that little click. Listen, do it again. There. And then it will screw in using the same thread pattern as before. There, that was a nice one. Okay, so they're all in. Now to get these in, you can see that we have a bit here which is flat. So obviously line it up. You've got the R2 here, so the R1 has to go with it. And then all you're going to be doing is line up the flat bit with this bit here. Again, you can feel when it's in the right spot. And it just clicks back into place. And if you're confused, all you have to do is make sure that the R1 is in the same orientation as the R2, so you can read it both the same. And click into place. You can see they're now done. And we just need to get this, so we need to put the ears in first, so it goes in this way. And then it will just clip back into place. Keep doing it until it clicks all the way round. And there we go, a perfect controller with a brand new battery. Thanks a lot for watching.